Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the family of an 11-year-old boy who was washed away by floodwaters is demanding answers from school administrators of the New Hope Primary School in Westmoreland.
The search for Desroy Smith continued for a second day today, but still there were no signs of the body.
Kimberly Peddy reports.
Where were the security? But he need to come to it, he need to talk to it.
A grieving Opal Greenfield, the mother of 11-year-old Desroy Smith, as she struggles to cope with her new reality. After a second day of searching, her son's body is still yet to be recovered.
He need to make me know what is the closure. If he can't go through the gate, if the gate did lock, because when he pull the gate and the gate lock, he have to turn back because he padlock. Man.
She told TVJ News that her son was sickly. Miss Greenfield arrived at the school Tuesday from as early as 6 a.m. as the search continued for her child. But as she grieves, she also sought to dispel rumors that her son left school through a fence situated at the rear of the institution.
I need some answer. Me I grieve, my head not upon my body there, my mind gone. They then need to give me some closure what go on yesterday. Them can't get on the road, but they have to talk and go through the gate. At school, me pin in a jump no fence. Me no want nobody can tell me say my pin in jump fence. My child do not jump a fence. Me know my child no jump no fence. The gate.
The community has been rallying around the family, and they have also been vocal on the loopholes in the security system at the school.
No, you go to the gate. You go to the gate by the security. More than one of them. Plenty of them go to the gate. Not the little boy alone, plenty.
If the security they have the gate closed, them couldn't go, them couldn't come through it, them couldn't get outside. So right there, so there's a problem. So it seems like some people don't care.
Well, even today I feel low because I know when a couple of years ago, when I was coming to New Hope, I'm 42 now, and my cousin was a little bit 1 year older than me, and she was drowning in the same situation. And I don't see they do nothing towards it.
The JCF's Marine Unit, divers from the community, and the Sandals Foundation joined in Tuesday's search. However, the mother says she's displeased that the JDF Air Wing did not return Tuesday.
We expect them for the year from morning. Very frustrated because you're here yesterday. It's a search call off. You're supposed to be here from morning. It's only the lifeguards them out there and city, so he's out there. Them should have reached back a long time. How much o'clock now? You can't take it no more. Just have to just hold the faith. All me want now is to find him.
While the search was taking place, the students were receiving grief counseling. In the meantime, residents are now calling on the relevant authorities to cover the culvert that young Smith fell in. In responding, the school's chairman, Alva Douglas, told TVJ News that he will be making strong representation at the parish council to get an iron covering for the culvert. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.